go ahead.
About the goat of Azazel, I don't know if you can mention that. If this goat was thrown off a cliff or was sent to the desert?
No. It's sent to the desert with a person. So a person with a company, right? And then he would push it off the cliff. He would take the ribbon, wherever was the ribbon on the horn of the goat, tie it, not tie, maybe with one knot. Have to be very careful. To the cliff and see what happens. Just push it off. And during the first time of the first temple, this ribbon, the second part of the ribbon, was in a holy of holies, so everybody would see. Like the doors was open, it was tied to the handle of the door, the way I remember, and it would change the color. It was red, and it would turn to the white, so everybody knew that this procedure was done, pushing the goat off the cliff, and the sins were forgiven. So, but later on, when people were too sinful, so this ribbon did not change the color; it still stay red. So they stopped the procedure, not to upset people too much.
And I ask this because I heard from Rabbi and Rabbi in Ashur that some people use tie in red color, and it's not a good idea.
For what?
They use a red tie.
Red tie?
No. Like the tie from for the goat. It's like they resemble that, and like a Kabbalistic thing, and Rabbi Yaron Reben say this bad idea.
Okay.